Don't get too shallow. You might need to move back like that way.
My GoPro.
Well, we're in 9 foot of water.
Well, it looks really shallow.
They got there. That was a big Viking.
Dad, when can you connect to mine? Because I want to see all my videos of me snorkeling.
You can still record it, and then once you're done, then once we get back to the thing, I can bring it up on the phone.
Okay.
I think we need to go back towards those rocks. Because they probably get up in those rocks over there.
Well, I got my GoPro rolling because mine's got the waterproof.
You hear me, babe? Because that's where we saw them, was back towards those rocks. It may get too, like, populated back this way for them.
Is that Honeymoon Harbor?
Yeah,
There's a conch shell right there. Dude, it's so cool. Only bad thing is about the
get back recording.
It is recording now. Only thing bad about sea turtles are they are vicious.
Yeah. But they're in danger.
Yeah, they are. Me and Dory did a science project on them. There's three! There's two! There's three! Oh, there's another one. Oh, no, that's... Yeah, don't go fast. Don't go fast. Only go fast if they're going fast. I want to see. I don't know what that was.
Yeah.
Let's try to call Kelly.
I put the thing underwater and just let it go with the flow.
I'll go to this rock and turn back around. I'm going to go to this rock here, the small one, and then I'll turn around. So we get to the blue water.
They were kind of out there, yeah. I tried to call Kelly because I know that they'd probably enjoy seeing sea turtles, but it's probably why this is called Turtle Rock.
There's one, there's one.
Right there, Liv.
Go that way, go that way, down. I'm fishing.
Get at the back, Liv. He's right there.
Right there behind us, behind us.
He's sitting still right there.
There's one. There's a big one right here.
Right there, Liv.
I want to jump in.
No.
Why?
Because sharks eat sea turtles.
You gotta get it further down, Liv, under the water.
It would be worth it. Where's it at?
Right over there, going towards the dark.
Is that one right? Or is that
No,
moss?
that's just moss. Because I thought the same thing. Coming in and then I actually saw one.
They like to hang out and swim through this area. This is where we saw them the last time when we were coming
Yeah.
through.
Probably the same thing.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Why don't you put it on the thing so you can put it deeper in the water?
That thing?
Mm-hmm.
Because... Here, Mom, you hold it. You look for some.